Jamaica 101 Basic Tips for Your Jamaica Trip. Worried you might miss your favorite fast food on your trip? Choose Jamaica for a taste of home on your vacation. Here are some of your favorite international franchises in Jamaica. Starbucks for coffee lovers. Wendy's for home-style chicken. KFC for the Colonel's original recipe. Pizza Hut for the pizzas you love. Burger King for the burgers you crave. Ask your host about online orders and delivery, so don't hesitate to book your next trip. Tell us in the comments what you want to see next in this series. Check out our community posts for fun quizzes, polls, and events coming up in Jamaica.